Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's about 7 in the morning. It's very gloomy. I'm going to. My son is sick and he's been sick for a while. It's been a week now. He just has a running stomach, but the temperature is fine. Everything is fine. He's playing, but he has a severe running stomach. And we've tried everything. We went to the pharmacy, we bought stuff, but there is no change. So I just decided today, let me take him to the clinic. Like, honestly, I'm just sendizama noba yintoni at this point. So now I'm just taking him to the clinic. I just want to see if they're gonna give me anything. I don't know really. I'm just taking him to the clinic. Let's just end it there. So after the clinic, I'm quickly going back to the clinic. Hopefully I won't take long, just 30 minutes max, and then I come back hopefully, because today sifuna ukuya emcimbini and my sister's friend unomcimbi kwakhe ulizibazana. Umntanakhe went to benza umcimbi to welcome him back from the umcimbi wamakhwenkwe man ubuye entabeni, so kwenziwa lo mcimbi namhlanje. So I have to quickly take my son to the clinic now, and then when I come back around 11 we want to go there, but I'll take you guys along with me. So for now, let's go to the clinic. Here he is. It's hello. It's hello. It's hello. Okay, it's fine. We're not gonna force you. Guys, let's go to the clinic. Ndingumjezana imigodlo. We are going to the clinic. I want to give you an idea of where I'm going. This is home, and there is the clinic that I'm going to. I know on the phone it's gonna seem far, but that's actually where I'm going. Oh, why is it blurry? But that building over there, this one here, that's where I'm going. Not too far. Let's go. We are going to the who is Gusha? Hey, Doyisa nakuvula le gate. Guys, we'll talk later. Yandisokolisa le gate xa ufune ndiyivulile. And I have only one hand, because I'm carrying you guys on the other hand. How do you open it? Khandijongeni ezi gusha guys. Yho, ziyasokolisa. Funeka ndenze shoba igate. Funeka ndenze shoba igate ndiyivalile, because ezi gusha zivele zifuna ukuphuma. Jongani, zingxange apha nangoku. Zifuna uphuma ngoba zibona kuvula igate. Ziyasokolisa. And they get lost, you know. Hambani nina apha, sukani. Yho, iyandisokolisa ke mna nokuyivala le gate mntakaba. I think that will do. Let's go. Guys, jongani ke sana ibethe ingca elapha, and it rained last night, so my shoes are gonna be wet. Shame. Sihamba up. But anyway, let's go, guys. Guys, jongani. Yo, it's so gloomy. Jongani iweather ivalile mntakadad. Yho, ayisadiki. Iwesiba semgidini ke bantasi. Le weather ilibele kukubanje. And then ndilapha ebus stop, ndilinde into ezawuthi gqipha, iteksi ezawuthi gqiphaya. Ezawuthi gqiphaya and then indihambise eklinikhi. We wait for it here. Yho, ndime apha bantasi bus stop. ndime apha ndilinde iteksi ezawuthi qhapha siye ekliniki. Ayikho kude ikliniki man. Some people walk but yo mna guys angeke ndikwazi, especially because ndibeleke nomntana yo so I'll just wait. It's not far. Some people walking, but when abantu behamba apha bewalka, but yo by foot it's a bit of a distance. It can be about plus minus about 20 not 20 minutes, 30 maybe. 30 minutes walk. That's only because indlela iyajikela, you know, but there's a shortcut. But now the thing with the shortcut is it's a hill, yabo, iyonyuka indlela, so yo angeke ndiyipase mntasi, hayi angeke ndiyipase. So I'm just gonna wait here for into ehambayo eya kulaa direction yangasekliniki, ndihayikhe ku. Guys, akukufutshane. I wish I can show you. It's just that by camera ayibonakali kahle. On camera man ayibonakali kahle, but sibhatala 20 rand. Why am I paying 20 rand for a 10 minutes drive? Is it even 10 minutes? It's even less than 10 minutes ukusuka apho uyofika pha ekliniki, kodwa 20 rand. Why? No, please tell me why. I guess you see that uyibetha ngenyawo or you cough out 20 rand. So since ndike nokwazi ukuyibetha ngenyawo, hands akhupha 20 rand mntakadethe. So ndilapha ke. Sawuthetha xa sifika ekliniki bantasi. Ubomi basezilalini. Ubomi basezinkeva. Ayisembi iweather bantasi. Iwesiba siya emgidini. Iwesiba siya emgidini wamakhwenkwe sana. Asizukonwaba nokonwaba because it looks like it's going to rain. I'm so worried. I don't even have a proper outfit for this mgidi that I'm going to. Andinambhaco. I'll just wear whatever with. Anyway, iweather ayivumi, even if bendinawo umbhaco. Talk later ke bantasi. We'll talk xa sifika ekliniki. Bantasi jongani, iteksi ayibonakali and there's this car coming, i-private car. Ndifuna ukuthatha ilakhi, ndifuna uzama uhayikha kuyo. Let's see if bazonika nihayikhe. Nanku umntu eqengqeleka imoto yakhe akakandimele kwayena. Phumani ezintweni zabantu, ndiyanikhuza. Nanku umntu eqengqeleka imoto yakhe sana. Loo nto time is against me. Ixesha liyahamba bani and liyandishiya. But masimeni, and kusesekuseni gqithi. Andifumani nto ehambayo. Oh, here's the clinic, guys. Molweni. Ninjani? Sikhona nathi. Ima up. Ima anotha. Hayi ma. Guys, we are on our way to Emgidini ke ngoku. We are on our way to Emgidini. Yo, ndaba late ndafika endlini sendigijima. But now nanja lamza siya ku. Well, I'm gonna show you my outfit. It's nothing over the top, which is just a skirt nje. Sombhaco qha ne-t-shirt white. Ne-t-shirt white neteki really akho nto 10. But more than anything bendifuna ukunibonisa guys. Lo mzi apho kokhiwe khona is literally in the mountains, like in the hills. Ndifuna ukunibonisa. Jongani guys apho siya khona. Siphi? Yo, kusezintabeni. Guys, jongani. We're going, you see those houses there? We are going there. The car couldn't even go down here. We had to leave the car up the road, and then, guys, we're going there. Johan, these are like, I feel like a cell phone can't even do this place justice, guys. Look at all these hills, and then over that other side, it's a mountain. Guys, this place is surrounded by a mountain, literally. Even myself, I am scared. Jongan, guys. Yo, but ndiyasilela ngasemva ebantwini endihamba nabo. Azondibonisa kakuhle. Apparently, siza kulomzi. We don't even know, guys. This is like my sister's friend's house, home that we're coming to. So now it's my first time coming here. I'm sorry about the wind, guys. I'm sure maybe it doesn't sound nice. It's not, you guys are, it's probably gonna be irritating. It's very windy. But guys, Jongan, yo, I feel like this cell phone can't even do this place justice, guys. Guys, Lenda, you say umgodini. When you go ever ngomgodi. Umgodi lo kaZahara ke guys acula ngawo. Isemgodini Jongan. We have to go up this mountain. And back in the days, if you know the history, abantu bakudala babexabisa imfuyo more than their own comfort. If Londao has water and it's green, that's what they wanted, just for their livestock. Uba itye kakuhle. Ibe sendaweni enamanzi nendawo enengca green. So I guess this place is just one of those. Abantu abadala abebehlala kuzo. Guys, literally, these houses are in the mountains. I cannot. Finally, we are here, guys. What's this one happening? What's this one about? Nango success player. You? Win.
Oh, damn.
Success, yes.